Welcome to AccuPace Tutorials. Today's tutorial will show you how to log in to Online Employer for the very first time. We are starting at AccuPace website at www.accupay.com. Once at AccuPace website, we are going to select Login and Online Employer. Since this is your first time logging in, I would suggest that you save Online Employer as a favorite. This will be a time saver for you in the future. Once that has been saved to your favorites, you can type in the login information that was provided by your processor and select Sign In. You will then be asked to provide your password that was also provided by your processor. Once you have typed in your password, please hit Sign In. And now we are going to set up our Online Employer enhanced credentials. These credentials will make sure that you log in securely and safely. Our first step is to choose our online personal image and our phrase. We have several image categories to choose from, starting with nature and animals, business and technology, food and beverage, house and home, sports and leisure, and finally travel and culture. You can select an image from any of these categories. And once you have selected an image, you will scroll down and select a passphrase. Please note that the Online Employer personal phrase is not your password and should not contain your password. Please type in your passphrase now. Once that is done, please hit your Next button and we will move on to step 2, where we're going to create our credentials secret questions. You will need to answer 5 questions. There will automatically be questions populated. If you do not want to answer one of those, you can use your drop-down box and select another question to answer. For this tutorial, I am going to put in fun answers, but please remember to put in accurate information for yours. I get to put in fun information as this is not a real company's information. Once your questions are answered, you can select the Next button, and we are going to move on to step 3, where we're going to create a confidential password. The password has several different rules. You cannot use the word password or the word payroll. Your password must contain a minimum of 8 characters and a maximum of 20 characters. Your password must contain mixed case letters, meaning that you need to have at least one lowercase character and at least one uppercase character. Your password must also contain one numeric digit and one type of punctuation. The accepted punctuation is listed within the parentheses. Once you have met all of the requirements with your new password, you will notice that the color turns to green and will show you that your complexity rating is acceptable. Go ahead and enter your new password now. Once that is done, I do want you to look at the email address in here and make sure that it is correct. If that is correct, you can hit Next. Now we are at step 4, which is to review all of the information that we have done. We're first going to make sure that our personal image is correct, that our passphrase is also correct, our 5 questions are answered correctly, that our email address is correct, and finally we are going to choose whether we want to register this computer or not. If you register the computer, you are telling the system that this is a personal computer that others do not use. If you do register the computer, the next time that you log in, you will simply type in your login and your new password. If you select that this is not a public computer, or that this is a public computer, the next time that you log in, you will have to answer 3 of your 5 security questions along with your login and password. Once that is done, we are going to hit Submit, and we will be redirected to our final step. It says, "Congratulations, you have successfully created your new enhanced Online Employer credentials." Once you are done, you can click on the button to continue to Online Employer. Now you are at Online Employer's home screen. For you, you will see your your company's name in blue, and you will select your company, and then you will be redirected to your welcome screen. It will say welcome with your company's name here, and it will show you your current payroll dates from your start date to your end date. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact AccuPay at 317-885-7600. Thank you for choosing AccuPay for your payroll needs. Please call us with any questions. Have a great day.